guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys who don't know me, my name is Nicole and I'm so happy you clicked on this video. Guys, I have a little unboxing to do with you guys. So you guys know birthday season is here. My birthday is March 21st. You will probably be watching this video after my birthday, so I thought I would share with you guys a little gift that hubby got for me and that I got for myself too. So let me just show y'all. I'm not gonna be talking too much, okay? Yeah, but before I do, subscribe to my channel. So go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. And I guess I'll do the disclaimer thing. I know last year when I did my first kind of luxury video, a lot of people was like, girl, you don't owe anybody any explanation, and I don't. But if you are somebody who does not like luxury things, or you don't like watching other people share that, then this video is not for you. But if you're somebody who likes fashion or who likes luxury items, and you want to see what else you can add to your wardrobe, then this video is for you. So I'm gonna give you guys a chance to subscribe. I'm gonna get the items and then I'll be right back. Close your eyes for a second and then open. 5, 4, 3, 2. Y'all, so I got the Hermes Oran sandals, and I did not only get one, I got two. So I got 2 of them, the Oran sandals, because I went to the store thinking I was going to get one color, but all the colors looked really nice that I liked. So I got 2 of the 3 colors that I liked. And so that is what I'm going to share with you guys now. And I'm going to have all of the specs and the details in the description box for you guys to check them out. So let's start with the first pair. First, I'm going to share with you guys the shoes, and then I'll tell you about my experience with me purchasing the items. So here is what it comes in this box, and then usually they tie it with the bow, but that's long gone. So here is the box, and once you open it, they come with the individual dust bags for the sandals, and these dust bags are really good quality. And you see it has the Hermes logo on it. It has the Hermes logo on it as well. And then my SA included the receipt as well. So receipt is put in this little baggie, and then my SA, her card, is also in here. And here is what the shoes look like. So I got these ones. So this is the Oran sandals from Hermes, and it's just, I got the, what's this color called? This is like golden something. I'll have it on the screen, but this tan one, most people have this one anyway, or those who like this brand usually get this sandal, this Oran. And I have a dupe of these. I have the Zara sandals, but that I picked up last summer. But for my birthday, my husband did gift me with these because I've been eyeing these for years now, and I can finally afford it. So here it is. Here is how it looks. It's super comfortable on the feet, and I really like the back. I love the detail on the bottom here. Like, I don't even want to wear this out on the street. I don't want to walk with this on pavement because it's just so nice. In terms of quality, you guys know I like to be honest. Like, this one looks like it was a little bit of a rush job just because back here. That's my only con, but other than that, it's such a pretty shoe, and I'm going to insert pictures of me wearing it. But this, I plan on wearing it with anything and everything in the summer. I'm going to be wearing these with sandals. I'm going to be wearing these with dresses, and I'm also going to be wearing it with jeans, like a jean blazer outfit. And I could just put this on with some shorts, skirt, dress, everything. And I got this color just because it can go with pretty much almost every outfit. So I don't know how they make them, but this one just seemed a little bit more rushed than this one. The right pair looks it's just amazing. The quality is perfect. I just see a little bit of plastic here, which I can take off, but the right one looks really nice. And for size reference, I am a size 38. I sized up, so make sure you size up in this shoe. I'm originally a 37 or 37 and a half. So I tried the 37 and a half and it was a bit tight on me. So I did size up. And actually my husband was telling me that I should have gotten a 38.5 instead, just because he thought it was a little too tight. But so I would say if you're somebody like me whose feet swell easily, you want to go up a full size. I went up half a size, but I would say go up a full size of these. But as time goes on, the leather does stretch anyway. So here they are. And I'm not gonna talk too much about the other one that I got. I'm just gonna show you guys, but literally the same thing. Here's the other one. And again, it comes with the card, with the receipt card. And then of course this one did not have my essays information, because this one was actually shipped to me, and I had done a little unboxing on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, because you would have already seen them. But I did the unboxing. Here's the little bow. You have your dust bags for the shoes, so when you're traveling with them, you have them in here. Let's take a second for this color. Let's just do that for a second, okay? This color complements any skin tone, but if you're more of a darker skin tone like myself, then this is for you. I actually almost got the orange one, which is the poppy color, and it's like the Hermes poppy orange, but this one just looked way better. And of course I have more options with wearing the yellow one compared to the poppy one per my wardrobe, but I just need to see in my wardrobe if I can if there's enough pieces that I already have so that I can style the poppy ones, and then maybe I'll get them later down the road. But for now I got these yellow ones, guys, and these ones came directly from the warehouse. I ordered them in store on a Saturday, and these arrived on a Thursday for me. It arrived via FedEx, and when you order these, just so you know, you need to be at home or somebody needs to be at home to sign for the package. They will not leave it at your door. Here it is, and these ones, these ones are just like perfect. There's no plastic on the back. Also got these in the 38. It's just, you guys hear it, like it's just so well constructed. I do not see really any flaws with these ones. So here are these, and here are the tan ones, so you guys can see it side by side. And since I'm going to Miami for my birthday weekend and just kind of a getaway vacation weekend with family, these could have not come at a more perfect time for that trip. I'm not sure if I'm going to be bringing these ones to Miami, but I'm definitely going to be bringing these ones right here, just because I think it's going to pretty much go with every outfit. And then I'll be switching off between these ones and then the dupes that I have from Zara as well. So as for retail price, these retail for $630. And of course, if you are living in somewhere where they charge tax, you're gonna have to pay taxes on it. Y'all, that's another story. So we went to the King of Prussia Mall, to get these because I knew that I wouldn't have to pay taxes. There's no sales tax on clothes or shoes in Pennsylvania. So these, the yellow ones, they didn't have my size at the King of Prussia boutique, so they had to order it for me. But when I went there, I asked my sales associate if when ordering it, if I would still have to pay taxes or if I would have to come back and pick it up in store. She told me that I could order it in store and pay for it already, and there will be no taxes, and that's what I did. And y'all, then they call me, the store calls me and say, hey Nicole, your shoes will be in on Thursday. Your shoes are coming in. This was like on a Monday or Tuesday. They're like, no, was it a Monday or Tuesday? Yeah, they called me on like a Monday or Tuesday saying my shoes will be in the store by Wednesday and I could come pick it up, have somebody else come pick it up, or they could send it to my house. And I was like, okay, cool. So I don't have to pay taxes. Everything's good to go because I already paid at the store. And y'all, then she tells me, well, no, because we're sending it to New York, you need to pay taxes. And I was like, that's not what you told me in store. So just be mindful of that. But I pay the tax on it, but I did not pay for shipping, which was nice of them just to compensate me for that. Or else I would have I think I would have also had to pay for the FedEx shipping, but they were able to cover shipping, which was nice. So I give my experience with my sales associate a 9 out of 10. Actually, I'll do an 8 out of 10 just because of that hiccup with me paying taxes or not. But other than that, she did really well. She took her time with helping me find the shoe. And of course, you need to make an appointment. I did not know it was by appointment only. So I had to wait. We went to the mall as soon as it opened just because we thought there could have been a line, and of course only letting certain people in at a time at this boutique. I was able to get a walk-in appointment, which worked out. I just waited about an hour. We got there at 11 and then I was seen at around 12:30. So yeah, that was the only thing, just having to wait a little bit. But if you want to get it, make sure you just make your appointment on time. My SA was really nice though. She really helped me, took her time, really helped me figure out what color was best for me, because I knew that I was not going to get the white one. But I really thought I was going to get the orange poppy, but then I ended up with the yellow one and the tan one instead. I'll have all the details down below for the sandals if you want to purchase them as well. Make sure you guys follow me on LIKEtoKNOW.it, because on the LIKEtoKNOW.it app you guys can shop my outfits, and I'm going to be showing you guys over there. Some of my outfits from Miami are going to be on LIKEtoKNOW.it, so make sure you follow me on there. And also follow me on Instagram so that you can see. I'll probably do a highlights of my trip, I don't know, but follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see more of how I'll be styling these shoes, because I do a lot of outfit stuff on Instagram, and I like to show outfits how you can dress like corporate casual kind of vibe. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. If you've gotten to this point and you haven't subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. But have you really got